Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
We're excited to share another favorite recipe of ours, a real healthy one, with soba noodles, Japanese soba noodles as its central ingredient. And it comes to us from Heidi Swanson, who has written a great book called Supernatural Simple. And we're really excited about soba noodles because when we were in Japan, we've eaten these just by themselves, slightly chilled with a little bit of seaweed. With a dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce.
Yes.
That was it. Yeah.
It's just delicious, just simple. But we're real excited to see this recipe and build on it with adding more vegetables and stuff.
Right.
So this is an all vegetarian recipe, and buckwheat noodles are really healthy. There's a good protein source and lots of vitamins. So we're really excited to share this one. Okay, so ingredients you need are obviously the soba noodles that you can get at any
they're pretty popular.
in ethnic rows of grocery stores or Asian grocery stores. You can find them as well, or even get them online. And 100% buckwheat noodles are the best.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you also need some broccoli and cherry tomatoes. We're gonna roast some cashews, salt, mint, Parmesan cheese, and of course garlic.
Gotta have garlic.
Yes, and optional things are chili pepper flakes or lemon zest that you can put at the end. Okay, so we're excited to go through this with you and to share this recipe, and so we can all be heart healthy.
Sounds good.
All right, so we're gonna get started and start preparing. So the first thing you want to do is prepare the ingredients. Cut up the broccoli in small pieces. Slice up the tomatoes, or you can leave them whole as called for in the recipe. And my mom is slicing up the mint here. Next, you want to slice the garlic. Look at my mom's nice chopping skills here. Very impressive, Mom.
Thank you.
And lastly, you want to cut up the cashews. Now, I know there must be a better way to do this.
Yeah, buy them chopped up in the store.
Yeah, well, the point is you want to get them into small pieces.
Okay.
And so next you want to cook the soba noodles. So boil the water, put the soba noodles in the entire package. And the point here is you want them to be al dente. It's about 3 or 4 minutes or so.
Cooks fast.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, and so while you're doing that, you want to prepare the other ingredients. You're going to put olive oil in the pan. And add in my mom's expertly sliced garlic. Yum.
Smell the aroma.
Nice. And then add in the tomatoes. Lovely. Yum, yum. Yeah, you want to cook the tomatoes in the garlic oil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. And just let that saute. Nice bright red here. While our soba noodles are cooking over here as well. Just have another 5 minutes or so. And next you want to put the broccoli in. Okay. And then cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, until the broccoli gets bright green. Last thing you do is just add the soba noodles to the tomato broccoli mixture. Okay. Mix it up. Add in the mint. And you add in the cashews. Get a nice protein source here. And you can see that it really gets to be a nice, colorful green and reds. And if you don't have buckwheat noodles, you can always use wheat spaghetti or wheat noodles, because buckwheat noodles actually have the similar nutritional value to wheat noodles. It's just that the taste is a little bit different, but you can use it. And voila, here's our finished product.
Looks good.
Nice and colorful.
Yeah.
You give your added here some broccoli, nice broccoli, some tomatoes.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And cashews. Get over here. Nice.
Looks good. Very
Healthy.
simple.
Okay, there you go. And then what you can top it off with, these are optional. You can do some chili flakes.
Which I think is nice.
Are you gonna do a little bit?
Little kick.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you can do a little lemon zest if you like. Would you like a little, Mom?
Yeah. It's a little
Okay. Just a little lemon zest. Down. This way. Get a little bit on there.
Okay.
Okay. A little lemon zest on there.
With some cheese.
Yep. And you can add a little Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese at the end. And there we go.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. That's our finished product. Let's try it out, Mom.
Very good. This is nice and easy because I sat on my butt most of the time. Very good.
Really nice. So, thank you for joining us.
Good job, Chef.
Good job. Thank you. Thank you, Sous Chef. We hope you enjoy this recipe. And it's very healthy, vegetarian. And we look forward to seeing you in a future video and sharing more recipes with you. If you like this video, please give us a like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you spending time with us and hope you enjoyed this. And we look forward to seeing you real soon.
Keep eating.
Yes,
Keep moving.
Keep moving, eating healthy. See you soon.